Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about why the EST Genesis is my most favorite fire alarm. Let's get started. Number 1. It is the smallest and most compact fire alarm ever. And it fits in your hand. And it is perfect to fit in your hand, and it can even fit in your pocket. This one's just a strobe. And number 2. They have optional trim plates. Number 3. They blend in with their surroundings. Those two are strobes, those two are speaker strobes. This one's a horn strobe. The red lens one's my most favorite one out of all of these. Number 3. They are very light and mouse-sized, providing an unobstructive look on your wall or ceiling. Number 4. They provide the best light out there. Yep, number 5. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. They can be used in any country. Oh. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great National Pie Day. Bye!